gonna be making my cherry blossom soap. So I made this little branch in these flower pieces and then made, sorry, they're off to the side here and I don't want to touch them because I'll get mic all over my hands. I don't have gloves on yet. The little lengths that I'm gonna put down on the bottom. I'm not quite sure how it will look, but I wanted to try it. That's kind of a little in piece. You can see the branch, and then I just attached the flowers. I coated it in the pink mica because I'm gonna do this whole batch in pinks, various tones of pinks. I'm gonna do super almost white, light pink base with a little bit of a dark pink and a little bit of a brighter pink swirl. Then I'll use my swirling tool from Gagnon's Gadgets on Etsy, which I love this tool, to swirl. And then I'm gonna place 32 branches, and there are enough flowers for 7 flowers per branch times 32. Yeah, I might be having some words to say before I get to the end of that. The branch was made with soap dough and this mold I got off Etsy a number of years ago. It creates a really cute branch, but it's also a pain in the backside to to make them. And when I did this 3 years ago, I was like, I'm never doing this again, forgot about it for a while, and decided, hey, I'll make it again. And yeah, I remember why I thought it was such a pain. It's really cute. It's just tedious to make. So time consuming. That's all. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my oils and lime mix, and then I will be back to make some soap. Okay. So this is my super pale light base. And then you can see I have a darker pink in the same family as the base, and then that dark pink, which is what I coated the flowers in. So this pink, it's the neon pink. This color is from Brambleberry, but I also get it from Just Pigments. They're both the same color. It's that neon pink. And I just mix it with varying degrees of white. You don't need a whole lot of the pink to create light shades. So I like more white, less pink, basically, to create that pale pink. Okay, this is not fully setting up, but starting to kind of set up. Just getting a little thick. Still workable, don't get me wrong. Okay, I'm going to kind of swirl this to death. So hopefully really get this to just kind of mix and swirl together. Now to get these flowers in the base. I want them in the bottom. I don't know which way I want it, up or down. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see what the inside looks like. The top of the bars are very pretty. These 32 bars are going to be it, probably for at least another few years, until I forget again how much work they were. Not sure what the inside will bring. I think I need to work on the embed that I made. But let's see. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I think I needed to coat each flower individually so that you could tell. Right now it just looks like one big bunch. The swirls on all of these are going to be different. Like if there had been coating in between that flower and these two flowers, I think it would have been better. Potentially also I think they should be bigger, but I was trying to do them on just the small disc. So the inside is not as impressive as the outside. And it looks washed out on the camera here. So I'm not sure if that's just my view or if it shows like that on the actual video, but the swirls in the pink and the dark pink are actually really quite pretty, and not quite as washed out as it looks to me on the camera. So well, probably should have just foregone that embed. I mean, I know how to fix it if I decide I want to do something different next time. But yeah, I really wish I had coated each individual flower. Oh well. Swirls are pretty. The top is super pretty. So I will take it. It's not awful. I know I sometimes make it sound like I'm disappointed in it. I really like the top. It smells very pretty, and the swirls, even though I don't feel like they're showing up on the video, are actually really quite wispy and pretty, and I like them. So there you have it, my crazy cherry blossom soap. Let me know what you think. I really do love the top of the bar. I think that's quite stunning.